Install Chrome extension on Android without root. For this, you have to go to Play Store and search here Lemur browser. Then click on install and then open it, and then click on these four boxes and you will be able to see Chrome Web Store. Click here. Here you can see this website is open now and I can easily install any Chrome extension I want. There may be some extension which may not work on your device, okay, but there are 20% chances only. 80% apps which are available on Chrome Web Store will work. I have tested many Chrome extension. For example, now I will test in front of you. I will click on add to Chrome and then I will click on OK and wait for a few seconds. It is loading. Okay, now it's showing remove from Chrome. That means this extension has been added. So here you can see your extensions. You can see I have dozens of Chrome extensions available on my device, and in the same way you can also try and use Chrome extensions without any root on your Android device by using Lemur browser. So that's it for this video.